Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this 2020 BMW 3 Series. So from any screen, as you can see, you've got media here, com there, home, map. If we go to com, you'll see mobile devices there, telephone and mobile devices. So onto mobile devices, select mobile devices, and you see Barry's iPhone 12 Pro there. That's the one I want to delete. Click on that, and it brings up a new screen: connect device or delete device. Device obviously is not connected at the moment. You've also got connection mode, Apple CarPlay. Go back up, it's trying to connect with Apple CarPlay. Go back up to delete devices, and that's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2020 BMW 3 Series. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. And over here you've got media and you've got com there. Click on com, telephone and mobile devices. I'm going to go to mobile devices, and here you see on the right hand side you've got plus new device. So we knock, it's showing you the phones that are already connected. So we knock over there, knock to the right, click on new device, and I want phone calls and audio. So it's looking, it's found my phone, and that's it there, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. So we'll click yes. It's looking to pair. Bluetooth pairing request 789210, 789210, pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. And then you've got continue in BMW iDrive or use Apple CarPlay. So we'll continue in the BMW iDrive for the moment. It's showing there connected. My watch is just buzzed to say it's connected. And it's just connecting to the system. It may take that's it, it's connected now. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from the Bluetooth system in this BMW, this 2020 BMW 3 Series. So all you do, you go to your music. I'm going to turn my music down, and you'll see there, I'll just click play on that and bring that up. And at the bottom there, you'll see BMW. If I click on there, you've got a choice between iPhone and BMW 07598. That's this car. So anything that plays on my phone, if I have the media system set up all right, it will come through these Harman Kardon speakers in this car. So it's playing. As I say, I'll turn that down so it doesn't come through the speakers straight away. Then we go to media. Click media. You've got Barry's iPhone 12 Pro there. Click on that. And that's it. Don't dream it's over. That's what's playing at the moment. If I turn this up, I turn that up and then turn it up here, there you go, you hear it playing. That's how you do it through the BMW system.